What does AI mean for Hollywood? Will it replace our favorite actors? Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the film industry, the benefits and risks involved, and what the future might hold. Stick around to find out how AI could change the movies we love. AI is increasingly being used in various aspects of Hollywood, starting with script writing. Imagine a future where robots write all our movies. Will they all be the same cookie-cutter plots? AI tools can analyze successful screenplays to identify patterns and elements that resonate with audiences. These tools can help writers by providing suggestions for plot points, character development, and dialogue, making the writing process faster and more efficient. For example, AI can quickly generate multiple versions of a scene, allowing writers to choose the best one. But let's be honest. Would you trust a robot to write the next Oscar-winning drama? There's a risk that AI could churn out formulaic scripts that lack the creativity and nuance of human writing. Picture endless action movies where the hero always saves the day in the most predictable way possible. One notable AI in this space is Scriptbook, which uses machine learning to predict the success of a screenplay. By analyzing thousands of scripts, it can forecast box office performance and audience reception. This helps studios decide which scripts to greenlight, potentially increasing the chances of a movie's success. But do we really want our movies to be picked by a machine? In the pre-production phase, AI is used for casting and location scouting. Casting directors can use AI to analyze actors' past performances and match them with roles that suit their strengths. AI can also predict the chemistry between actors, helping to create a more cohesive cast. For instance, AI tools can analyze an actor's previous work to determine their suitability for a specific role based on various factors like genre, acting style, and audience appeal. Location scouting, traditionally a time-consuming process, is also being transformed by AI. AI can analyze scripts and suggest suitable filming locations based on the setting described in the screenplay. This can save production teams a significant amount of time and money. AI tools can also evaluate factors such as weather patterns, accessibility, and costs to recommend the best locations for filming. During production, AI plays a crucial role in special effects and CGI. AI can create realistic visual effects by learning from vast data sets of images and videos. For instance, AI can generate lifelike animations and simulate complex phenomena like explosions or natural disasters, which would be costly and dangerous to reproduce in real life. This not only enhances the visual appeal of films, but also makes production more efficient and cost-effective. AI is also used in real-time editing. Directors can use AI tools to review footage instantly and make quick decisions on whether a scene needs to be reshot. This can drastically reduce the time spent in the editing room later on. AI-driven cameras and drones can also be used to capture shots that would be difficult or impossible for human operators, providing new creative possibilities for filmmakers. In post-production, AI is transforming the editing process. AI-powered software can automatically edit scenes by selecting the best takes, syncing audio, and even applying special effects. This speeds up the editing process and allows editors to focus on more creative tasks. For example, Adobe's AI-powered video editing software, Adobe Sensei, can automatically tag and organize video clips, making it easier for editors to find the footage they need. AI is revolutionizing the marketing strategies used in Hollywood. Studios use AI to analyze data from social media, search engines, and other online platforms to understand audience preferences and behavior. This data helps them create targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to attract viewers. For example, AI can analyze social media trends to determine the most effective release dates for trailers and promotional materials. AI can also predict box office performance by analyzing factors such as genre, cast, and release date. This allows studios to make more informed decisions about marketing budgets and strategies. Additionally, AI can personalize marketing content for individual users, increasing the chances of engagement. For instance, AI-driven recommendation engines can suggest movies and TV shows to viewers based on their past viewing history and preferences. AI is also impacting the distribution of films. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime use AI algorithms to recommend content to users based on their viewing history. This personalization helps keep audiences engaged and increases viewership. AI can also predict which types of content will perform well in different markets, allowing platforms to tailor their offerings to specific regions and demographics. Moreover, AI can optimize the distribution process by predicting the best release dates for films based on factors such as competition, holidays, and historical box office data. This ensures that films are released at times when they are most likely to succeed. AI tools can also analyze piracy trends and help studios combat illegal distribution, protecting their intellectual property and revenue streams. Despite its many benefits, the use of AI in Hollywood presents several challenges. One major concern is the potential loss of jobs. As AI automates tasks traditionally performed by humans, there is a risk that some roles in the film industry may become obsolete. For example, AI-powered editing software can perform tasks that once required a team of editors, potentially reducing the demand for human editors. But it doesn't stop there. AI might also replace our favorite actors. Imagine watching a movie where all the characters are digital creations, perfectly crafted by AI. This technology can create incredibly lifelike digital actors or even de-age existing actors, making them look decades younger. While this sounds impressive, it raises significant ethical questions. Is it fair to replace human actors with digital ones? And what about the authenticity and emotional depth that real actors bring to their roles? Can a digital character ever truly capture the subtle nuances of human performance? There are also concerns about consent. If AI can recreate actors digitally, what happens if an actor doesn't want their likeness used? This brings up issues of rights and ownership over one's image and performance. The use of AI in this way can blur the lines between reality and fiction, potentially leading to situations where actors have no control over their digital doubles. Moreover, there is the risk of bias in AI algorithms. If the data used to train these systems is biased, the AI's predictions and recommendations will reflect that bias. This can result in unfair advantages for certain types of content or individuals, perpetuating existing inequalities in the industry. Ensuring that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative data sets is crucial to minimizing this risk and promoting a fair and inclusive film industry. While AI has the potential to revolutionize Hollywood, it's important to approach its implementation with caution. The industry must balance the benefits of AI with the need to preserve the human elements that make films so compelling. By addressing these challenges head-on, Hollywood can harness the power of AI without losing the creativity and authenticity that define great cinema. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. See you next time.